The Ultralinks are here to destroy the Earth. And your energy is the only thing that can stop them. Time to suit up. Coming in hot, Max!
I can't believe I'm doing this.
I would find a way.
Logan, you still have time.
Dead for 500 years.
Wait a minute!
Welcome to the Spanish Inquisition.
This is
When I saw him there, it felt real.
It was.
We're watching you, waiting to see who you are.
I believe you are destined for great things. Let's find out. Jack Sparrow. Do you know this pirate?
Only by name.
Find Sparrow for me and relay a message from Capitan Salazar.